Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the clock in your Subaru Outback. First, find the Settings button on your car's infotainment display. It's usually a gear icon or labeled clearly. Press this button to open the main menu. From there, you'll want to navigate to the clock or date/time option to begin the adjustment process. This is your starting point for all time-related changes. Once you're in the clock settings, select Set Time or Time Adjustment. You'll see options to modify the current hour. Use the up and down arrows or similar controls to set the correct hour. After setting the hour, move to the minutes. Again, use the dedicated controls to precisely adjust the minutes until the time is accurate. This step ensures your clock reflects the current time. Beyond just the time, you can also set the date. Look for a Set Date option within the clock menu to make any necessary adjustments. Additionally, you can customize how the time is displayed. Select your preference for a 12-hour or 24-hour format. Don't forget to check the setting for automatic daylight saving time adjustments. Ensure it's enabled or disabled as you prefer. After making all your adjustments, it's crucial to confirm your selections to save the new settings. Look for a Done, OK, or Save button. Once saved, simply exit the Settings menu to return to your main display. Your clock should now be updated and accurate. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.